Hello and welcome to Planet Coaster Showcase. This is where I scour the Steam Workshop looking for the best recreations or creations that you guys have suggested or sent in through our Discord at CoasterDan. So make sure if you do have a suggestion or you want me to showcase your stuff, make sure you do go over to our Discord at CoasterDan. Anyway, it's quite interesting, ladies and gentlemen, because I am going to look at one of probably the best, what I've heard of a recreation. Yeah, Colossus. I'm not a huge fan at all of the ride itself. However, I am super excited to see what it looks like in Planet Coaster. Now, this has been recreated by Ashley from My Curious Mind. That's right. And we're going to jump into the game and have a look. So, let's go in, shall we? Okay, we are in the park. That's right. And straight away, I'm buzzing. I'm happy because one of the best rides, well, flat rides that is Rush at Thorpe Park. I love that ride. But we're not here to see Rush. We are here to see the recreation of Colossus. That's right. And something really special as well. That's right, because we have the man himself who created this. We have Ash. Ash, how are we, mate?
I am good, thank you for asking.
I know, man. Wow, can I just say straight away, it is super impressive. I mean, how long did this take to do?
Oh, well, Colossus took me 3 weeks to make. Usually recreations only take a month, but somehow I managed to push this one out in 3 weeks.
Ash, things like this take longer than a month. I promise you, mate. They take a lot longer. There is no possible way. Wow. Okay, fair dues. Fair dues. This is amazing. It says here, thank you for downloading. My channel is My Curious Mind. Make sure you guys go over there, subscribe to him, and support this guy, mate, because he has done such an incredible job. And I can just see straight here that these bins as well. What are these bins? Are these bins custom made? They're not in the game, are they?
Yeah, no, those are made out of wooden beam brackets pieces, actually.
Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm so sorry, mate. I'm going to rip it apart. All right, okay, cool. I see what you mean now. Okay, cool. Oh my God, you've even got the back area in there as well, here. You know, when you're heading towards Soar Alive. Please tell me you haven't done that as well. But you know what?
No, I haven't, no.
I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted. Sorry, I do apologize, guys. Straight away, off the bat, this is such... Oh my God, it's amazing. I feel like I've missed something. Have you done the shop?
Yeah,
gosh,
I have done the shop.
Even this here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Are they actual real... How have you done them postcards? Like...
Oh, that's a Team TK piece from the workshop.
Oh my God, you've even done things here as well, the posters. Oh my gosh. This is so realistic. Oh my gosh. Even a vending machine, you having a giraffe. Ash,
Yep.
you... do you know what? I've not even seen the coast yet, and you ready for it? Wow. That's all I'm saying.
Thanks.
That is amazing, mate. Absolutely amazing. I don't know what is going on with my mouse. It's playing funny buggers today. Oh my God. Like these signs as well. They're amazing.
I did make quite a lot of custom Team TK pieces for this park, because I think there's those little details that make like a recreation like good in a way.
This is insane, mate. This is mad. How on earth? Did you like take loads of photos, or do you just know the ride inside and out and the area?
It just takes a lot of hours
God.
on Street View.
Samurai! Oh my gosh! Wow, that's all I'm... Oh my God, the sign! How? Like,
Still custom made. I made the texture in Photoshop, and then I made a Team TK piece and imported it into the game.
Oh my God, you've even got the seat as well.
Yeah.
Jesus, dude. My goodness.
If it's there in real life, it has to be in the recreation.
Now, I've got to say this, right? And I'm surprised no one said it in a vlog or anything like that, but these bins are in stupid places. It takes up like all the queue.
Really are.
God. This must be absolutely hurting your eyes, me trying to control this camera. You're like, Danny, what are you doing? Right, let's go through here. Right, let's go through here.
For the queue, to get it accurate, I actually had to use planning permissions. So
Really?
I have, so I have to get the floor plan. I have to match the floor plans to the correct scale, so it's accurate.
Oh my gosh, dude, are you serious?
Yeah, I am.
That is amazing. I don't care. That is amazing. Even the TV screens, man, that's exactly where they are. Are they custom screen? Whoa! What on earth? 1 minute. Jesus. Calm down, Danny. Calm down. I know you're excited. Let's just wind it in a bit. I'm lost now. Yeah, are they custom TVs then? Or you just like the monitors, aren't they? But then you've just obviously used
I've had to use beams to make the TVs. The video is just an in-game video.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, totally understand. But yeah, let's go in here. Oh,
this looks better if you turn it tonight.
Oh, okay. I was going to do a night look, but if you want me to do one now, do you want me to do it now?
I don't mind.
Yeah. Hey, listen, it's your showcase. Let's do it. Ooh.
Those lights are custom as well. I did try to make if it's not easily makeable in like with what's already in the game, then I just use custom pieces.
Oh my gosh. Like, that is so good. I'm sorry, but I'm just so quiet because I'm in shock. Ridiculous.
It is nice when people like give good feedback about my recreations.
Oh my god, it's even got like a phone and stuff.
Yeah.
Damn. Do you know what, guys? Let's ride it, man. Let's get on this bad boy. Right, here we go.
I've tried to make it smooth. I've tried my best.
Well, if you have, then you haven't succeeded. Right, 1 minute.
Someone to run.
Okay, here we go. Let's. We're on it. Are we going to move? Are we going to move? Is it even going to go? Come on.
Just like Colossus is going to take forever to dispatch.
Here we go. I know it really does. Here we go. Oh, you've even got custom sound.
Yeah, I've got a custom detached sound as well for the lift hill. I've had to make a custom catwalk for the lift hill as well because Flanger doesn't actually let you put one in there.
That is mad.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, I'm super pumped for this. It's too smooth. Oh my goodness, mate. That is mad. And it does that as well. And then this is where you gotta hold, brace yourself. Again. Oh, there's the camera and everything as well. And I love this bit. Oh,
hang time.
Again, this is crazy. That is mad. Bravo. And then
and then you get stuck on the brake run.
Yeah, and then all you hear is, "Oh my head! Chuck us some paracetamol, Jeff." Oh my gosh,
Ollie,
that is
where's the fun?
That is amazing. Right, do you know what? I want to see a cinematic mode on this. Okay, we are now in cinematic mode. Let's have a look at this. I'm going to give this guy props, mate. We're going to give him all he wants. Oh, yes. It's so like Colossus. I know that's what you were going for, but no, it really is Colossus.
I believe I've also made it speed up on the lift hill like it does in real life as well. I think.
How the hell have you done that? Here we go. Here we go.
Even I don't remember how I did that.
Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I felt like I was on it then. That is amazing, mate.
Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I really am. Not the ride. You're... Look at this, mate. Oh, please tell me get a decent cinematic in this bit here. Please. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, I tell you.
The coaster may not be brilliant, but it's nice to look at off ride.
Yeah. That is so good, mate. Absolutely brilliant, mate. Let me just see the whole thing at night time. Here we go, night time. Let's have a... Oh, Danny, just get the freaking controls right. There we go. Is it really green?
Yeah.
I never really... To be fair, I can't remember.
I did have a look at a few pictures, and a lot of them were green.
That is amazing. Does this queue ever have... Does it ever go up here?
A lot of the time, extended queue is always open. I mean, last time I went to Thorpe, the queue was outside the entrance.
Just look at that, mate. Ridiculous. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, absolutely well done, Ashley. You must be super proud of yourself because that is amazing. And you know what I like about it as well is the fact of, yes, you've done all this, you've done the outside and it looks incredible. Like your custom supports, absolutely spot on, really are. And then it's not like you just dumped it as well. You've got the buildings what are actually there, and you just, you know, just to finish it off a bit, you've got Samurai here, and then you've got obviously Rush on the other side. The station is absolutely spot on, although I didn't realize it was that close to Walking Dead. But yeah, this is...
No, I think the station is actually attached. You know, it's attached to the actual building.
Yeah, I never knew that.
I mean, with Planet Coaster, like the size of the station is too big because it's the smallest I can make it to have fit the correct amount of trains.
Sorry, Ashley, I'm just admiring your transfer track. Well done, mate. I'm super happy that it turned out well. Are you happy with it? If you
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, I was about to say, because sometimes people can be very critical of themselves, of their own work, like, oh, I wish I did it a bit like this, but I'm glad that you said, because in my eyes,
I will keep working on the project till I'm happy with it.
Well, you know what? This is absolutely fantastic. You have done such a good job.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe how good it is. Man, wow. Absolutely brilliant. Ash, thank you so much for not just for creating this, but having the time to jump onto this video. I really appreciate it, mate.
Oh, this was okay. Thank you for having me on.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, you've got some more projects in the works and we can do this again.
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely.
I have multiple projects.
Oh, fantastic. Can't wait. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell icon every time we upload a new video. You will be notified. Also, if you do have a suggestion or you just want to send in one of your projects, you can do at CoasterDan on our Discord. So make sure you do follow us over there. Ash, once again, thank you so much for joining me. And guys, thank you for watching and take care and happy riding. Bye-bye.